Welcome back to the Autoland channel, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels, where we explore the latest two-wheelers, cars, vans, campers, and electric mobility solutions that are transforming our roads every day. If you love vehicles as much as we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a new age solution for last-mile connectivity and sustainable transport that's slowly but surely changing the way urban India moves, especially in the shared mobility space. We're talking about the Mahindra Treo Yaari 2026, a fully electric three-wheeler that's not just eco-friendly, but also practical, affordable, and designed for the hustle and bustle of our Indian cities. Now, Mahindra has been one of the leading players in India's electric mobility segment, from electric cars like the E20 and XU400 to their ever-growing lineup of electric three-wheelers. Mahindra is pushing boundaries when it comes to clean and efficient transportation, and with the 2026 update, the Treo Yaari steps up its game with enhanced features, better performance, and a more refined design, all while keeping costs in check. Let's begin with the heart of this machine, the powertrain. The Treo Yaari 2026 comes equipped with a new, high-efficiency electric motor that delivers smoother acceleration and better torque at low speeds, which is exactly what you need in city traffic and short-distance commutes. The motor now delivers around 2.5 kilowatts of peak power, and while that might not sound like much on paper, for a lightweight three-wheeler, it's more than sufficient to carry passengers comfortably, even on mild inclines or over rough roads. The lithium-ion battery pack in the 2026 model has also been upgraded. It now supports a higher range per charge, up to 130 kilometers under real-world driving conditions. This means that drivers can do multiple trips in a day without constantly worrying about running out of juice. And when it comes time to recharge, Mahindra has made it convenient with fast charging support that brings the battery from 0 to 100% in about 3 hours using a standard charger. For drivers who hustle daily, this is a major win. What's impressive is how Mahindra has kept the Treo Yaari lightweight while ensuring safety and durability. The frame is built using a modular steel chassis that's both corrosion resistant and structurally strong. This translates to a stable ride, even when the vehicle is fully loaded. The suspension has also seen improvements. Up front, it now features a helical spring and hydraulic damper setup, while the rear gets a leaf spring with shock absorbers, giving passengers a smoother ride, even over bumpy Indian roads. From the outside, the 2026 Treo Yaari retains the recognizable Treo design language, but with a few modern tweaks. It now comes with sharper lines, LED tail lamps, and new dual-tone color options that make it look fresher and more premium. The large windscreen, wide mirrors, and higher roof design are all focused on practicality and visibility. For urban drivers, these are not just cosmetic touches, they improve safety and driving ease. Step inside, and you'll notice Mahindra has put serious thought into passenger and driver comfort. The cabin feels more spacious than previous versions. There's better legroom, improved headroom, and ergonomic seating for up to 4 passengers including the driver. The seats have thicker cushioning now, making long shifts less tiring for drivers. Plus, the floor height has been lowered for easier entry and exit, especially useful for elderly passengers or school runs. One thing drivers will love is the upgraded digital instrument cluster. It's crisp, easy to read, and displays all the essential information: speed, battery percentage, range left, and service alerts. There's also a USB charging port for mobile devices, which is a big plus for gig workers and app-based drivers. Mahindra is also offering optional tech upgrades like GPS tracking, fleet management features, and remote diagnostics are making the Treo Yaari 2026 ideal for fleet operators, government contracts, and ride-sharing platforms. These tools help manage vehicle health and route planning more efficiently, increasing profitability and uptime. Safety-wise, the Treo Yaari doesn't cut corners. It now comes with regenerative braking, which not only improves braking performance but also helps recharge the battery during deceleration. The drum brakes are larger and provide better stopping power, even when the vehicle is fully loaded. The addition of a handbrake with improved locking also ensures better stability when parked on slopes. From a cost perspective, this continues to be one of the most affordable options in its segment. While prices may vary depending on state subsidies and local taxes, the ex-showroom price hovers around Rs. 1.7 to 2.1 lakhs for the base model. When you factor in the savings on fuel, low maintenance costs, and available government subsidies for electric vehicles, the Treo Yaari becomes a smart investment for drivers and fleet owners alike. Running costs are where the Treo Yaari really shines. Compared to a conventional petrol or CNG three-wheeler, this electric auto costs just 50 paise to 70 paise per kilometer to operate. No engine oil, no complex parts, and far fewer breakdowns make it low maintenance and extremely driver-friendly. For daily wage earners or self-employed drivers, this translates to more income in their pocket at the end of the day. Now let's talk about the real-world usability. In cities like Delhi, Bangalore, and Mumbai, where e-rickshaws and electric autos are quickly becoming the norm, the Treo Yaari fits right in. It's ideal for last-mile connectivity like metro stations to homes, market areas to bus stops, or within residential societies. It's nimble enough to zip through narrow lanes, silent in operation, and doesn't add to air or noise pollution. With the government pushing hard on adoption and states offering incentives on registration, road tax, and charging infrastructure, owning an electric three-wheeler like the Treo Yaari makes even more sense in 2026. Mahindra has also partnered with multiple charging station networks to ensure that drivers have access to convenient charging spots in major urban areas. Plus, Mahindra's service and support network continues to grow. With over 1,000 service points across India and a dedicated support team, drivers can expect timely assistance, spare parts, and technical help whenever needed. This peace of mind goes a long way for self-employed drivers who can't afford to have their vehicle off the road for long. In short, the Mahindra Treo Yaari 2026 is not just another electric auto, it's a solid, future-ready mobility solution for India's evolving cities. With its improved battery, smarter tech, strong build quality, and economic operation, it's ticking all the right boxes for both drivers and passengers. Whether you're a commuter, a ride-share driver, or a fleet owner, this is worth considering. So what do you think about the 2026 Treo Yaari? Is it the future of urban public transport in India? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. If you've driven one or ridden in one, share your feedback too. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more updates on the latest electric vehicles, bikes, campers, and tech on wheels, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Autoland channel, and hit the bell icon so you stay updated every time we drop something new. Until next time, ride safe, stay curious, and keep exploring the road ahead right here on your favorite channel.